Yo, what is going down? Today I've got a Why is my lens so dirty today? Okay, that is better. Today I'm unboxing my brand new Nissan GT-R Rotiform wheels. This is going to be absolutely insane. I know I say that a lot on the channel, but a lot of things that I do tend to end up being pretty insane. Let's get straight into this. You have no idea what you're about to witness. 11J wide wheels on the rear, 9.5s on the front. So we're going to be expecting some serious GT-R concaves on the channel right now. Before we get into today's video, there's something I wanted to show you guys. This is epic. Okay, so this is the newest OWNA hoodie that we've just dropped. It's called the Wildcat. Because there's a Wildcat massive on the back of the hoodie. Don't forget, if you're ordering one of our brand new Wildcat hoodies, add your favourite t-shirt and you'll get it for free, because there's a deal on OWNA right now where you get a free t-shirt with any hoodie on the store. So go to the link in the description. Thanks for the support, it means a lot. Okay. This, I've got my glasses on for the beginning of today's video. This is going to be an insane video. Behind me, by the way, when I tell you this, I want you to all smash the like button. No messing about now. There's a few dogs in this garage right now, so it's going to be pretty noisy. I've got Django over there in his crate. I've got the Frenchies out and about with me. Quattro patiently waiting. Smash the like button if you are ready for GT-R Rotiform wheel upgrades. This is going to be insane. So, before we go any further in today's video, I wanted to do a little bit of a backstory. Number one is, there's probably only really one brand in the world that I'm actually a fan of at the moment. Like I'm like a little kid. Actually, do you know what? There's a few detailing brands. I have quite a lot of detailing products. I'm a fan of a lot of them brands, but not like this brand. Rotiform. If you go to my Instagram, in my bio, it says Air Ride and Rotiforms, or Roties, or Roti Babies, or whatever. Rotiform, I've been a fan of for ages. My relationship started with Rotiform. I actually hunted one of the staff members down at a car show and was like, can I buy your snapback cap? And they were like, you can just have one, and gave me one. And I was that hyped that I think they were hyped that I was hyped. And then we've ended up forming a pretty cool relationship. Obviously, my cars, I've got Rotiforms on. The support they give me is unbelievable. So I wanted to do a personal shout out right now to everyone at Rotiform and Wheel Pros Europe. Players J being the main guy. Without his word, this wouldn't be happening. So I wanted to do a quick shout out to all the guys over there watching. James, Rick, Players J, Scott, everyone. Shout out everyone at Wheel Pros Europe for hooking this up for the GT-R build. So we've got black on black, which means one thing, and I already know this, that's why I'm going to tell you. Black on black. Black on black, which means there's two tones of black. Innit, Quattro? Innit, lad? What could possibly go wrong, Mr. Quattro? Okay, this is going to be a madness. We're starting with the wide boy. We're starting with the wide boy. I'm going to put yours over there, like that. I'm going to sit on a 9.5. And we're going to start with an 11.5 rear. Right now, do you like the new colour of the garage? I did the wall black. We've got black and grey tiles. What are you doing? You're coming up. You're getting up. You're getting up. You're getting up. Go on. What do you think, lad? What do you think, bro? This is going to be insane. I hope you're as excited as me. This is insane. 9.5s. They always come with these like spaces to stop the cardboard. Do you want to eat him? Do you want to eat him? Go. The lid removed. Oh my God. They are insane. Rotiform KPS 11.5s for the GTR. Look at these bad boys. Do you know what? These are mental. Check this out. Oh my good God. They're half satin, half gloss. They are incredible. What the actual hell? They're mental. Let's get it out. Weird. Before we get this wheel out, right now, the first set of Rotiforms I ever wanted were KPS wheels. I never ever actually pulled the trigger on a set of KPS. I think the first set I tried to buy were KPS and they didn't have any. It's mad. It's mad that I've got a GTR R35 and it's mad that I've ended up getting KPS for it. It's crazy. Check it out. They are insane. Wow. Wow. That's mental. Look at the concave. Look at the concave on them. That's just insane. Satin spokes, gloss, lips. They are mental. Jesus Christ. You'll notice these, they don't actually have the normal Rotiform screw cap. Look at the concave, that's crazy. Concave is actually bonkers. Let me hold them here. Watch this. Look at that. That's just so wild. So this is the Rotiform KPS wheel. Look at the insides. Centre cap as well is mad. And it's also got this pretty crazy Rotiform engraving here. Look at that. The GTR is going to be nuts. I can't believe it. So you've seen in the previous videos the colour of my wrap that my car's going. And now I've got wheels as well. The wheels are actually going on before the wrap. I can't believe it, you know. They're so nice. Look at this. These, yeah, are so wide. They're 11s. I'm gonna have to get some art of the 11 point. I'm gonna have to get some art of the 11J wide rear wheel. Let's go. Come on, bro. Okay, we've got 9.5s for the front. I'm pretty sure standard GTR wheels are 9 on the front, so even these are wider than the standard GTR front wheels. So they're just wide boys all around. Which is good, it means I'm not going to have to run spaces. I've got to move this before our Frenchie eats it. Actually hyped to see the 9.5s. This is going to be mad. Mate. so aggressive. They're actually still pretty concave for 9.5 on the front as well. Look at them. That's crazy. So these are the fronts. Oh my god. I want them for all my stuff. I want them for the van, the Golf, the GTR. They are incredible. 10 out of 10 wheel. Wow. Wow, what a wheel. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to unbox all 4 of them. I'm going to put them out on the floor together and we're going to have a look at them all together, and then we're going to test fit 2 with blocks of wood and bag my car out and check it all fits and works. Okay, so I've laid them out on the floor. The 2 11s on the left and the 2 9.5s on the right. How crazy do they look laid out, all 4 of them like that? So epic. They're so mad. Love the 2-tone black. I never thought, I would never think of painting a set of wheels that colour, but my god, they look incredible. Nice with the boxes behind as well. Bit of branding there. Shout out Rotiform. So there you go, it's a brand new day today. The wheels are ready for test fit. So the plan is, I'm new to this show stuff, but in the show world, you can't just try a set of wheels by putting tyres on and putting them on the car. It doesn't work like that. So today, I'm about to now go and get some wood, test fit them on the GTR by jacking one side of the car up, putting them on, putting blocks of wood under them as tyres, and then airing it out and checking they clear into the arch okay, checking that they clear the GTR calipers okay, and checking that the rear of the rim doesn't rub on anything mechanical like the airbag strut, lower arms, anti-roll bar, drop links, all that type of stuff. So we've got to check clearance on the outside, the inside, and the brakes. So stay tuned, that's going to be a future episode. I'll probably do a full install video. Today was more about just unboxing them and showing you some angles of the new wheels, which are going to be insane. So there you go, that's going to be the end of a cool little unboxing video, and I wanted to say thanks for tuning in, saying hello, get involved in the comments below. GTR video ideas, always welcome. Make sure you smash the like button if you're hyped on the GTR project, and obviously last but not least, don't forget brand new Wildcat OWNA hoodies. We've got a massive cat on the rear, check it. So on the front we've got a tiny little logo, and on the rear you've got that massive Wildcat logo. So make sure you get involved. Free t-shirt with every single hoodie on the store right now. All you got to do is go to the link in the description and add your favourite t-shirt for absolutely free. Failing that, you can just Google OWNA, or you can check us out on socials, just type in OWNA, you can't miss us. And I think that's the end of today's video. Tune back in next couple of days, I'm going to be doing some pretty cool videos this week. Smash the like button, turn your notifications button on. I'll see you next time. Peace out.